lost in Stockholm.
No, I'm studying like a Millie Rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller knockers. Money in my pocket. Don't call me a money pocket. Engine get your rocket. It sound like a thunder rocket, yeah.
Yo, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to a new video. As you can see by the title, we're off to Sweden. It's a 24-hour drive. Going there with my boy Two Stroke. You already know his link's going to be in the description below. And Blade Runner, check him out on Instagram. 30 hitter. Two Stroke is late and he's about to pick me up, so I need to get ready and go downstairs. So see you in a sec. Bang. Alright, we're in the van. I got like Two Stroke. I got like, you ready? I got like Blade Runner. On the road, making our way to Folkestone, Sweden. Here we come. Fucking hell. Oh, you're glowing, mate. I'm glowing. Look at that. I was looking good still. Alright, see you in a sec.
10 toes down on my ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do, I do.
You're a tunnel. Oh shit. Fucking hell, mate. Where'd you learn how to drive?
Get into a bit of beef with him, I'll be like, you're out of your fucking jurisdiction, mate.
And we're stuck in traffic. I think we got delayed. Fantastic. We're topped up. Got to stay awake because we've only got Mr. Two Stroke, our one and only driver.
Oh shit. It's a bit of a tight one still. For being on some chill. We go 0 to 100, nigga, real good.
We're on the Euro tunnel, let's go. 35 minutes here. Fucking ears are popping out mad. See you on the other side. Come on, we made it. Let's go. Made it. Right side of the road, baby. Here's the driver. You already know Two Stroke. Subscribe to his channel. And Mr. No Face No Kids Blade Runner. He forgot his belly in the back, so yeah, no face. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's get it. We're in Belgium. He's still alive.
Still alive somehow.
Still alive. We've got... what? We're going to get there at 10:30 in the morning tomorrow. And we've got 1,126 miles left. You can't really see that. But he's doing good on the right side of the lane. Let's get it. Look at that. Cheers. Let's go. First pit stop in Belgium, just after Ghent. We kind of went the wrong way, and we kind of went into the Burger King time.
Wrong way around, but we made it.
Come on, let's get it. Shit, can't see nothing. There's Mr. Two Stroke. Hey, these lot got to order food in Belgium. Hey, this guy, yeah, no face, but. Bro, this guy munches like a beast. Look, bro. Took him 2 seconds to munch that. What the? And he's saying he wants more. Fuck yeah, no. Gone. How's his bike not starting? Alright guys, we're getting closer and closer, sun's coming down. Oh, they're fucking driving. Well done, Two Stroke, you're holding up good. Let's get it. Well, we'll update you whenever we're going to be pulling over for a little snooze. Yeah, a little tutu sleep. Yeah, let's go. Alright guys, it's fucking pitch black, can't see shit, nighttime here. We're 2.5 hours away from Hamburg, and that's why we're going to be taking a break for like 3 or 4 hours. Hey, you won't fucking believe it, yeah? We're at the Danish fucking border control, which got pulled over. And Mr. Two Stroke apparently is on drugs.
I'm on drugs, mate.
Look at these cheeky bastards. See you later, mate.
I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids.
What's happening? We fucking made it. Let's go.
Was it 27 hours?
Something like that, yeah. Something like 27 hours. I don't think it's that main house, I think it's that little house. That, yeah, but I know it's somewhere here. I just don't know exactly where it is.
27 hours later, we fucking made it.
Just about.
No crashes.
Yeah. Let's go.
Weather's beautiful.
Time to ride, isn't it?
I'm gonna flog.
Let's go. Let's go! Let's see my ID. Ooh. I gotta blow his face though. Your helmet. Yo, we're on the first pre-ride to this event with all the loud bastards, MADCAP Society, up in Sweden. We're too short Blade Runner, you already know. 701 Savage is up there. UK coming in strong. Let's get it, mate. My new mate. Killing it, let's go. Gee, my guy. My fucking guy. Come on, mister. Who's that? Oh, shit. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Here's up. 701 Savage, let's go. Fucking hell, that is cold. Yo! Come on, son! Get it. Let's go, 701 Savage, you already know. Kill it off. Kill it off. I'm lost in Stockholm. I don't know where the fuck I'm going. I went to get cigarettes. I can't find nothing, man. I'm going back to the boys. I'm glad to be back on the bike though. This is fun. I have no idea where I am. Bro, it feels like I've been through here. Nice. I do not know where I'm going, so I'm not going by myself because I'll get lost. I got lost. I had to put up twice and then who's that sent me his live location, so I'm going back to the spot. I am useless. Boys sent me with a shopping centre. Hey, no. Was it here? I think it's here, yeah. Is that all up? Look at that. Perfect fucking. that, stop work. Stop 1000. Stop 1000. Fuck, we shouldn't need to go there. Jeez, look at that. Stop 1000. Look at that. Look at that shit, look. Alright guys, that's Friday done. Part 1 of the video. Now, tomorrow's Saturday, main event. That's going to be in a part 2. So I'll see you in the next episode.
I said she's buff, cuz.
Yeah. Drop a sub, like, and comment. Pussy Clark. Yo.
Swipe, 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 swipe. Swipe, 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 swipe. Just picked up some bands, come again, come again. They do